In the delicate tapestry of ecosystems and biodiversity, conservation biology unfolds as a mystical exploration, an alchemical journey where the study of living beings becomes a quest to unravel the secrets of harmony, ecological balance, and the enchanting dance of species within the interconnected web of life. Conservation biology is a magical odyssey where researchers, like modern-day stewards of nature, delve into the hidden realms of habitats, biodiversity hotspots, and the ancient wisdom encoded in the ecosystems of our planet. Key aspects of mystical conservation biology. Ecosystems as living altars. Ecosystems become living altars, sacred realms where the diversity of life is celebrated and preserved. Conservation biologists become stewards of living altars, unraveling the mystical interactions and ecological rituals that sustain the balance of nature. Biodiversity as natural harmony. Biodiversity becomes natural harmony, a symphony of life where each species plays a unique role in the grand ecological composition. Conservation biologists become custodians of harmony, studying the mystical patterns and interconnectedness that define diverse ecosystems. Habitat restoration is earthly alchemy. Habitat restoration becomes earthly alchemy, an alchemical process where damaged landscapes are transformed into flourishing habitats. Conservation biologists become alchemists of the earth, practicing the mystical art of ecological restoration to bring vitality back to degraded environments. Conservation genetics as genetic guardianship. Conservation genetics becomes genetic guardianship, protecting the unique genetic heritage of species on the brink of extinction. Conservation biologists become guardians of the genetic tapestry, preserving the ancient codes that hold the essence of endangered species. Biogeography as ecological cartography. Biogeography becomes ecological cartography, a mystical map where the distribution of species tells tales of evolution and adaptation. Conservation biologists become cartographers of ecosystems, exploring the ancient pathways and migratory routes that shape the geographic tapestry of life. Climate change resilience as elemental adaptation. Climate change resilience becomes elemental adaptation, an adaptive response to the shifting currents of climate. Conservation biologists become elemental sorcerers, studying the mystical strategies that enable species and ecosystems to thrive in the face of a changing climate. Conservation education is wisdom transmission. Conservation education becomes wisdom transmission, sharing the ancient knowledge of ecosystems and biodiversity with future generations. Conservation biologists become wisdom keepers, passing down the mystical understanding of nature's interconnectedness and the importance of conservation. Invasive species management is ecological balance. Invasive species management becomes ecological balance, a quest to restore harmony by managing non-native species that disrupt natural ecosystems. Conservation biologists become balancers of ecosystems, practicing the mystical art of invasive species management to maintain equilibrium. Protected areas as nature sanctuaries. Protected areas become nature sanctuaries, sacred spaces where the enchanting dance of wildlife is protected from human interference. Conservation biologists become keepers of sanctuaries, ensuring the mystical preservation of habitats for generations to come. Conservation ethics as earthly code. Conservation ethics becomes earthly code, a moral compass that guides actions in harmony with nature. Conservation biologists become coders of ethics, embodying the mystical principles that advocate for the well-being of Earth and all its inhabitants. In the enchanted realm of conservation biology, where the threads of ecosystems weave the fabric of life, each study is a ritual, an invitation to witness the mystical dance of biodiversity, to decode the ancient language written in ecological patterns, and to embrace the timeless magic that conservation biologists, as modern stewards of nature, bring to the understanding of our planet's living tapestry.